Step into a culinary voyage where tradition meets innovation. Today, we are going to study two different techniques: the age old artistry of braising with the modern precision of sous vide cooking. Make notes, go to your kitchen, and try these techniques. The nostalgic aromas of slow cooked braises, the exacting temperatures of sous vide baths, every element in a kitchen contributes to a blend of flavors, textures, and culinary mastery. So get ready to explore. Let's dive into the heart of braising and the precision dance of sous vide. Relax and savor every moment. Braising, a technique that elevates humble ingredients into juicy masterpieces. Today, I'll guide you through the art of braising, a process that transforms tough cuts into culinary delights. The star of braising is a tough meat. Cut them into big cubes. Do not trim too much fat. I repeat, do not. You will need a heavy bottom pot. Add oil, sear the meat, spices you like, aromatics and veggies. Add broth 3/4 of the way. Leave it on a simmer for a few hours. Done. But if you want to go to the next level, remove the cooked meat, thicken the sauce, and emulsify with butter and serve. The slow cooking process, gentle heat, and flavorful liquids and aromatic herbs works like magic on the toughest cuts of meat. It unveils a rich tapestry of flavors. Braising is a centuries-old technique, a culinary alchemy that infuses depth and complexity into every dish. It's a symphony. There you have it, an exquisite dish born from the magic of braising. But our culinary journey is far from over. Now, let's venture into the realm of precision with sous vide cooking. Sous vide, a technique that marries culinary precision with innovation. Precise temperature control is the key. Unlock unparalleled taste and texture. For this technique, you'll need some equipment, but they're worth every penny. It's a tub filled with water, with a temperature regulator and ingredients vacuum sealed in a bag. This precision encapsulates flavors and retains moisture, resulting in an experience like no other. As the ingredients luxuriate in the precise heated waters, they undergo a metamorphosis, each element infusing and absorbing the flavors. Perfection. Sous vide cooking represents a revolutionary chapter in the culinary landscape. From proteins to vegetables, it unlocks the full potential of every ingredient. But our journey doesn't end here. Now, let's compare braised versus sous vide. Each dish tells a story of the union between tradition and innovation, flavor and precision. Braised dishes are born from the art of tradition. They boast rich, melded flavors. The slow cooking method allows the ingredients to dance together, which creates a symphony on the plate. But sous vide guarantees precise doneness and consistency. Each bite is an ode to perfection of temperature control, an unparalleled dining experience. Both techniques have distinct merits, catering to different preferences and occasions. While braising delivers a depth of traditional flavor, sous vide cooking guarantees an exact and consistent outcome. I have given you the knowledge, use it wisely. Each method offers a unique journey of both tradition and innovation. From the rich depths of braised dishes, where time and patience meld ingredients into masterpiece, to the exacting precision of sous vide, where each bite is a testament to the art of temperature control and consistency. Now it's your turn to embark on this culinary adventure. Experiment with these techniques, explore recipes, and let your kitchen become the canvases of your own masterpiece. Try your hand at braising and sous vide and let the symphony of flavors unfold in your own kitchen. We invite you to share your culinary experiences with us. Whether it's a classic braised dish that warms the soul or a sous vide creation that dazzles the palate, let your creativity shine. Connect with us on social media, explore recipes, be part of a growing community passionate about the art and joy of cooking. Your culinary journey awaits. Let's continue to explore, innovate, and savor the endless possibilities that arise when tradition and innovation collide. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. For more gastronomic adventures, subscribe and stay connected. Until next time, happy cooking.